Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another DIY. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I sewed this tulle skirt with an inner African print skirt. So to start off, I measured my waist. It was about 29 inches. It was going to guide me as to how much elastic I was going to need. And then I measured the largest portion of my hips because I'm going to wear this skirt from downwards and not from upwards. So I laid my fabric down and then I transferred that measurement and then I cut. And then I also measured the length of the inner skirt.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
And it came down to this little box. So it would depend on you and how long you want the inner skirt to be.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
And then I started putting pins onto the edge of the fabric.
Hold tight, dripping lights.
And then I went on and sewed that. After sewing, I laid it onto my towel and then I ironed it.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
And then I basically just started folding it and preparing it for hemming.
Can make me move. You can make me move.
So there I was done hemming. And then afterwards I took out my tulle fabric. It was 2 meters by 1 meter, and then I folded it in half and I also pinned it at the edges. And I was just basically trying to make sure that all the edges were as straight as possible. And then I sewed along the pins. After sewing, this is how it looked like. And then I took out my pinking shears and then I just went over the edge.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights, paint the skies.
And then I measured a thread which was 42 inches. My hips were about 40 inches and I added a little bit of allowance. This was just to make sure that it would be enough to go through the largest portion of my hips. And then I just started doing a tacking stitch and gathering the skirt as I went along.
Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So when I was done gathering, I inserted my African print inner skirt, and then I just attached it using pins, and then I went on and I sewed that on the sewing machine.
His body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy, hey. I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man.
And then when I was done, I removed that thread that I used for gathering.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder.
And then I took my elastic and then I pinned it together, and then I attached it onto my skirt.
Murder, murder, murder me. She said she want murder.
And then I went on and I sewed this on the sewing machine.
I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want.
And this is how it looked like when I was done.
To be myself, make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be.
So it was a bit long, and then I decided to trim the length a little bit, and this was the result.
Only so make you go down, yeah.
So to make the decorative little triangles, I had a template which I had previously cut before, and then I just started using that to mark using a chalk.
Make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad.
And when I was done marking, I just cut all the little triangles together. And so you have to estimate exactly like how many triangles you need, or even if you want to do triangles, you may want to do like, I don't know, like little flowers or something like that. That will depend on you if you ever find yourself doing this DIY.
You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me.
So after getting all my triangles, I ironed them, and then I folded the edges on all of them inwards and ironed. This was in preparation for when I sew them onto the tool.
So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl.
So that was done.
Stand by me anywhere, all day, girl. You're a naughty.
And I'm going to leave the dimensions in the description box. And then I now started pinning them onto the edge of the tool skirt.
You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling.
And then when I was done, I went on to sew all of them using my sewing machine, sewing on all 3 edges. So this was the result when I was done. We're all sewed down, and I did iron it again, and that was the result, you guys. So I hope you liked this DIY. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you'd like to see me do other sewing videos, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me.